Okay, so this will be my third example in evaluating trigonometric functions. But this time, we're going to evaluate trigonometric functions of quadrant angles. Ano bang ibig sabihin pag quadrant angles? Yun yung angles na kung saan yung ating terminal side coincides with the x or y axis. Okay? O kaya yung measurement niya is a multiple of 90 degrees. Kagaya nito. Okay? Yung mga 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, what else? 450, yung mga yon. 540 degrees, yan yung mga tinatawag natin quadrant angles. Terminal side that lies either on the x-axis or y-axis. Okay? Like this example number 3. Evaluate the cosine and tangent functions at the four quadrant angles 0 degree, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. If these are all in radian measures, yung pi over 2 natin, ito ay 0 radian, pi over 2 radian is 90 degrees, pi radian is 180 degrees, and 3 pi over 2 radian is 270 degrees. Again, multiples of 90 degrees yung measurement of these angles. Therefore, these are quadrant angles. Okay? Paano natin makukuha yung cosine and tangent functions? Before we begin, kailangan we choose a point on the terminal side of each angle muna. Ibig sabihin, gagawa tayo ng illustration na naroon yung quadrant angles natin. So, we have a unit circle. Okay? Unit circle means the radius equals to 1. Okay, yan. Para madaling maintindihan. So, ito yung mga quadrant angles natin. 0. We have pi over 2. We have here pi or 180 degrees. At ito yung isa pa. Ito yung 3 pi over 2 or 270 degrees. Yun yung mga quadrant angles natin. So, ito yon. Yan. Yan, mga quadrant angles natin. Now, kunin natin yung mga coordinate ng mga point na yan na tumama dyan sa doon sa axis. Okay? Dito, kunin natin yung x and y coordinates. So, ang x nito ay 1. Okay? So, therefore, ang ordered point na to ay 1, 0. Bakit? Kasi unit circle, tinutukoy natin, ang haba nito from the origin to that point is 1 unit. 0 yung y kasi nasa x-axis. Ito naman, coordinate of this point is 0, 1. Kasi nasa y-axis, 0 ang x niya. Ang vertical distance niya, 1 unit. Ito namang isa, is negative 1, 0. Negative 1 kasi nasa positive side siya. Nasa negative side siya ng x-axis natin. At ito naman is 0, negative 1. Remember, yung mga ordered pairs na yan, yung first nating value dito, yun yung mga x values natin. At yung second value natin, mga y values natin. Okay. Remember, unit circle yan, therefore, r is also equal to 1. Okay. Kunin na natin yung cosine and tangent of these quadrant angles. Solution. Cosine, 0. Yan. Ang cosine, ang ratio niya ay adjacent side over hypotenuse r. Okay. So, ang x natin is 1. Ang r niya ay 1. Therefore, cosine 0 is 1. Next, tangent 0. Ang ratio ng tangent is y over x. Okay? Ang y natin ay 0. Ang x natin ay 1. Therefore, tangent 0 is 0. This is for 0 angle. Nakuha na natin. Next, this is theta equals 0. And this one is theta is pi over 2. Pi over 2 is, in degree is 90 degrees. Next, cosine pi over 2. Anong cosine uli? X over r. Ang x natin ay 0. Ang r natin ay 1. Therefore, cosine pi over 2 is 0. Tama, kasi cosine 90 degrees is 0. Next, tangent pi over 2 or tangent 90 degrees. This ratio again, y over x. Y is 1. X is 0. What does it mean? Undefined. Okay. Next, when theta is pi, equal to pi. Pag theta ay pi, ito yung ordered pair dun sa point na yon. Next, cosine pi. Ang cosine is x over r. Ang x natin ay negative 1. Ang r natin ay 1. Therefore, cosine pi is negative 1. That's correct because cosine 180 degrees is negative 1. Next, tangent pi. Tangent is y over x or y natin ay 0. X natin negative 1. Therefore, tangent pi is 0. Okay, last. When theta is equal to 3 pi over 2. Cosine 3 pi over 2. Ang ratio ay x over r. X natin ay 0. R natin ay 1. So therefore, cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. That is cosine 270 degrees is 0. That's correct. Tangent 3 pi over 2. Itong ratio y over x. Y natin ay negative 1. Ang x natin ay 0. Therefore, that is undefined. Okay? So, yun yung mga values na nakuha natin ng cosine and tangent nung ating 4 quadrant angles na 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. So, that will be the end of our topic in evaluating trigonometric functions. So, I'm going to give you activity sheet for this topic. Thank you.